How to use Sephora Virtual Artist or try on feature. Well, simply first open up your Sephora application and now you want to search in for the product. You want to visit the product page that you would like to purchase and see the try on. So for instance, you want lipstick, right? So you can search in for lipstick here. So I'll just open up a product page so that I can show you. So once you have that particular product, you can open up that product page. So tap on the product and open up the product page. Now, for instance, if you have lipstick, then scroll down, you'll find different shades available here. So you can see the shades here, right? So what you want to do is if that particular product has the try on feature enabled, then if you tap on that shade down below, just below that particular feature where you can select shade or other options, you'll find try on option. So it'll say, the option will say try this shade, or if you select some other products, then you also try this just below where you can choose the option. So in this case, on these products, as you can see, there is no any option, but you should find it right here. Don't get confused. Below that particular product, try on option. So where you select the options available, down below you'll find try option. You can tap on it and proceed to try on. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.